Hi there everyone, we are continuing on with the build of this fantastic Cygnus 21 that is behind us. We're on framework for the hatches. If that's something you're interested in guys, stay tuned after the intro. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome indeed. Thank you for joining us on another episode of One Man and His Boat. If you're new to this channel, thank you very much for joining us, and if you've stuck with us from the beginning, you guys make this channel exactly what it is today, and we're growing guys, all because you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. You're liking, you're subscribing, you're commenting, all that helps in the YouTube algorithm, and we're finally getting up the ranks a little bit more. Now today, we're still waiting on the welder arriving, so that's going to be another few weeks down the line, but I want to prep as much as I possibly can, and today we're going to hash on with the framework for the small hatches for the diesel tank and for the diesel filters. So it's going to be a lot more cutting, grinding, shaping, that sort of idea, so if it's something you're interested in guys, just keep watching. Right guys, as you can see, this is the hatches that we've got left. And we've got to make some framework to go in here to make it a watertight seal. Now part of your CFISH/MCA requirement is each hatch has to have a runoff from a drain. Now I'm going to have one in each corner. It's all linked up to go over the side of the boat with a one-way valve on it. Now also for this hatch here, this is where we're going to be filling up with diesel as well. So we have to incorporate a diesel fuel cap in there. So I think the holes here will get rather small rather rapidly, especially with the equipment I have to work with. So let's hash on, let's see what we can do, and hopefully we'll get a vlog out of this. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, after all that hard work on this profile, I've come to actually fit it. And if I make 4 of these, I'm not going to have much of a hatch. So I've got the big boss doing the real Lynsey B, and we had a small discussion, and basically that's it, that's sacked. So what I'm going to have to do now is buy more material, which I can't afford to do. A couple of L shapes, I think, kind of 90 degrees, and work something out, I don't know. So basically that's me spent, well, it's now 2:30, and that's me been on the go since 9 o'clock this morning, bending all this and cutting and all the rest of the carry on. It's all wasted. That's one thing you'll find about boat building, is sometimes ideas don't work out and you've got to think of alternatives. So back to the drawing board for this framework, and yeah, Baz is no happy, but there we go. That's boat building for you. If it was easy, everybody would do it. Right guys, we're back at a second attempt at these hatches. Before I get started on explaining on exactly what I'm going to be doing, I just want to give a big shout out to Aidan and Gavin and the rest of the team at D&D Stainless. Now these guys brought me 3 lengths of 90-degree angle stainless steel within 2 days of ordering it. Now to me, I think that's absolutely fantastic, especially since everybody's still in lockdown sort of period, and we're miles away because they're Livingston, we're sort of borders. Oh my goodness. Anyway, let's have a wee look at the steel. Now what we've got here is 50 by 50 and 5mm thick, and there's 3 lengths of 6 metres. Now this is absolutely perfect for me because I don't need to rely on the welder to make this up. I can fabricate this myself because a MIG welder will handle 5mm stainless steel. It's just the 2mm stuff that's no so keen on, and it's only because it's a hobby welder, and I'm no so keen on TIG welding. TIG welding seems to be not my forte, as should we say. So what the plan is we're going to cut 2 sections off. We're only going to we're not going to try this once. We're not going to cut the whole metal and then find out we can't do it. We're going to cut 2 sections, put them in the order that I need them in, get enough space so I can get the welder in, and then that will be 1 section. Then we'll get it cut and fitted, and then we'll go from there. If it's a thumbs up and we can hash on, we'll get the rest of it done. If it's a replan and a rethink, we'll do that too. So guys, just a quick reminder about our little boo-boo and what we're trying to achieve. This is the profile that I'm looking for. Obviously the lip to go on the deck, and then this is the channel that's going to catch the water, and then the hatch will go over the top. Now as you can see, there's a fair distance in between here. Now with our new pieces, exactly the same shape, so also we've got our piece that goes onto the deck, and then we're going to be able to weld that up there and make the channels smaller, and then we'll cut all this excess off and then weld everything up all nicey. Now I need to make this space in here just enough to get the welder head in there to give it a nice clean weld, but if I can't get much in here, we've still got the outside that we can weld on and shape up and round off so it's a nice snug fit. So that is the challenge for the rest of this vlog. I hope it does a lot better than the first half, that's for sure. So, shall we see if we can accomplish that then, guys? I think we shall. Right guys, this has actually taken me a little while to get organised. I'll give you a little closer inspection in a second, but I just had to make sure everything was going to be tickety-boo and nice and square. Now obviously this is the lip that's going to go on the deck, and this is now going to be the channel. Sorry for the focus, there you go, that's now going to be the channel. Now inside here I've had to router off the spacer wood because obviously we've got a rounded edge there. If you can see it a bit misty like maybe. Yeah, there you go. See how we've got the half round there? So that piece of spacer wood is now sitting snug, which is giving you a nice lip where we can weld down. I still have to take a run along that with the grinder, so we've got fresh metal on fresh metal. But yeah, everything's sitting nice and square. I'm very happy with this setup, and yeah, we should be good to go. Now in my MIG welder I've got 316 stainless steel wire running off straight argon. So if this is a success, all we've got to do is build another 7 more after this one. Right, let's get on with it, shall we? So everyone, what do you think of that? It's a fair few hours work that, I can assure you that, and I've still got another one to build, but you're not going to get to see that. I'm not doing the same process again, you know what I'm doing. Right guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please write a comment below if you've got any questions. Subscribe to the channel, which is a biggie, and check that notification bell. Once you've subscribed, and YouTube will make you feel very special indeed. Until your next vlog guys, all the very best.